Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Bigyan natin ng reaksyon ngayon itong post ni Arclight. Posted ilang minutes ago? 28 minutes ago. Sabi niya, breaking news. Kandidato pagka-governor na pinsang buo ni First Lady Liza Marcos arestado sa CIDG entrapment operation. So, ang detalye, ito, basahin natin. First cousin of Liza Marcos, Timbog. Okay. First Lady Liza Marcos' cousin Margarita Magic Cacho, candidate for governor of Guimaras, was arrested in an entrapment operation by Criminal Investigation and Detection Group, CIDG. Police Brigadier General Jack Wangki, Director of PRO6, confirmed the arrest of Cacho together with his secretary, Cayetano Leal, 48, of Barangay Misi, Lambunao. Two more co-members of the Philippine Coast Guard, Marwin Parpan, 31, of Dipolog City, and Rico Mailan, 27, of Sandulot, Siaton, Negros Oriental, who served as Cacho's personal security, were also caught in the operation. Nako, may escort pa na PCG personnel. According to Brigadier General Wangki, in an interview with Bombo Radio, 4 cases have been charged. Cacho and Leal are facing fraud charges, while the 2 PCG officers are charged with violation of the Comprehensive Firearms and Ammunition Regulation Act in relation to COMELEC gun ban. Binabasa ko lang itong post ha. Millions of kickback are routed. The operation started after a victim allegedly asked for 1 million in exchange for approval of their project for the Private Motor Vehicle Inspection Center Emission Testing Center of the Department of Transportation. In the entrapment operation conducted, operatives confiscated the following evidence: 400,000 boodle money plus a 500 bill with operation marking, 1 Arms Corps caliber 45 handgun, 9 bullets of 9mm, 1 1911 45 caliber handgun with magazine, 8 pang bala ang 45 caliber, 2 holster, 2 cell phones. With him being a prominent political figure and close ties to the Marcos family, the matter of Cacho's arrest has become even more heated. Although Malacanang does not have an official statement yet, the investigation into this case is expected to intensify. As of now, the CIDG continues to collect additional evidence while the public awaits the authorities' next move via AM Filipino. So, yan po ang post. Meron ding post ni Sasasot. Tinatanong niya si Commodore Tariela, any explanation daw, bakit mayroong PCG personnel na security aid nitong gubernatorial candidate na ito. Anyway, magbasa tayo sa mga comments. So, ang kaso is swindling, ano? Steve Kristen, huwag mag-alala, isang tawag lang yan. Absuelto na yan. Magkamuka talagang dalawa. Wesley Sihay, nako, baka ang nanghuli pa ang makukulong niyan. Believe din ako sa CIDG, no? Salot. Pasalamatan natin ang mga CIDG. Walang pinipili. Yan ang tunay na alagad ng batas. Kaya lang, problema nga, baka may tatawag. Lynn Lacerna, ang ganda pala talaga ng lahi nila. Ayos sa itsura at ugali parang kambal. Yol Bustilyo, hala kayo, lagot kayo CIDG, hinuli nyo yan. Bawal sa Malacanang ginagawa nyo. Dapat suportahan ang mga, wag ko na lang basahin. Onibor PG, magkamukha nga. Reynaldo Juaner Olmeda, paano na yan, Madam First Lady Lee Marcos? Edson Baldonado, good job. Good news po, Aisa Omar. Requento Allen, believe me, makakalaya agad yan. Anyway, swindling, may nagreklamo, talagang wala kang kalusot pag sa isang entrapment operation, pumapasok ka sa bitag ng kalaban. So, anyway, anong lesson nito? Walang perpektong krimen. Darating ang panahon, mahuhuli at mahuhuli ka rin. Kaya, tingnan natin kung anong, wala pa, yung binasa ko, walang reaksyon ng Malacanang. Sana, wag na lang pakialaman. Bahala na lang ang hustisya para patas lang ba. Again, malaking bagay ito na hinuli ng CIDG. I don't know kung alam ba nila na may kamag-anak o alam nila siguro. So, saludohin natin ang CIDG personnel na nakahuli nito. Okay, mga kaibigan, salamat sa inyong palaging panonood sa ating channel. Namamonetize tayo dahil sa inyo at ang ating sweldo itinutulong natin sa Tribong Talaandig sa Bukidnon. Namimigay tayo ng libreng pako at yero para ang kawawang Tribong Talaandig makapagpatayo ng bagong bahay or ma-repair nila ang kanilang sira-sirang bahay. Namimigay din tayo ng livelihood assistance, nagpapatanim tayo ng sakalakatan na saging. Libre ang seedlings, libre ang abono, lahat ng inputs, tinuturoan natin sila paano ang pag-alaga ng lakatan para pagdating ng panahon, may steady source ng kanilang income. Okay, so panoorin nyo ang video na ito, kasama kayo sa pagtulong, salamat sa mga hindi nag